Hi, good evening. This is Sajan. Today topic is about uh, how to create, attach, and detach and deleting EBS volume. Uh, so, so in this topic, we'll discuss. First, let me discuss about the theory part. Then I'll do the demonstration. So, as you know, EBS is elastic block storage. So in this topic, what we are going to do is we are going to launch two instances, for example, Windows 1 and Windows 2. And after that, I'll attach one EBS volume with 100 GB size with Windows 1 instance and put some files over there. And after later sometime I'll detach this EBS volume and attach to Windows 2 instance. Okay, so here so this launching instance itself, I'll do the already existing key. The key will be within uh, the whatever how much amount of instance we are launching within the region. It can be possible to use same key uh, as well as the security group. So that's what here um, the points mentions. So here in this case of EBS volume creation, here you can see what size and type we can give. And so once you attach, this is the how to create. First, you need to create EBS volume and initialize that in the uh, instance that is inside the disk management as a Windows drive. We need to initialize the attached drive so that it will be launched. Then after that we can use the storage. So this is one example. After that what I will do, for example, if you have Windows 1 and Windows 2 instance, Windows 1 instance is unfortunately it is deleted, but the EBS volume will be there. So if you want to move that, detach that EBS volume to another instance, Windows instance 2, we can do it, and then after that we can access that data. As well as here the if root volume also can be moved from one instance to another instance, but the difference between more detaching EBS volume and root volume is when we detach the EBS volume, even though both the instance Windows 1 and in Windows 2 is running state, there is no issue. Without any interrupt, we can detach the EBS volume from one instance to another instance. But if you want to move the root volume means all the OS and everything will be there. If you want to move that into another instance, once the both things should be in not in the running state. Okay, so it may be in the stopped state. That's one important point. So it must be. So here the difference. I have whatever thing I said, it is in the table form. So this is. So let me go for the demo part. So in the case of demo, already I have logged in the uh, AWS account. Now I will launch instances. So here I purposefully I am not going to give any name because to differentiate instance 1 and instance 2 I need to rename later. If you give one name then it will be not useful for us. Then I'll select Windows operating system. I'm going to do in this demo I'm going to install deploy two Windows instance alone. But here we can if you want to deploy Windows as well as Ubuntu instance also, that is also possible. But only thing is it should be done separately. Okay. Here I have done IMA images 22 base. Then I'll go for instance type T3, the free tier eligible. Then keeper, I'm going to use already existing keeper. Then network security, I'll use the availability zone as East 1A. Then select the security group, launch wizard 1. And these are the default EBS volumes. Okay. So here already we have EBS volumes are 30 GB. So it's a root volume. So AMA root volume. So then now I'll go for a number of instances. I'll put two. The two instances will be launch. Now I'm going to launch instance. Now I'll go to the instance type. I'll refresh it. So it is running. I'll give a name for easy understanding. Otherwise, it will make some confusion. Windows 1. This is Windows Instance 1. Windows Instance 2. Then, yeah. So these are the. Now, I will select one instance and I'll connect. Okay. Now, what I need to do? I need to get password. Not possible. Okay. Because it is not in the ready state. Let me see how it is there. It's running. Status check is still in the initializing. Let us refresh it. Connect again. OTP client. Get password now. Yeah. I'm giving the private key. So I'll decrypt the private key. I got the public key. Now what I need to do? I need to do remote desktop by copying the DNS name and then copy the username, then connect. So it is asking the password. I'll give the password. This is Windows 1 instance. Okay. Now it will be connected. So you can see here. This is I launched in another window. I'll move here. So here 168 it is launched. Okay. Now let us go for another instance. Launching of another instance. Remote desktop. Then where is yeah. Now I again go to Windows 2. Now I'll do connect OTP client, get password. Both instances I'm going to use the same private key, and I'll decrypt it. Now I'll use this public DNS copied. Now it is 108. Okay, let us launch here. Connect. Ash. No. Cancel. I need to show username. Username is administrator. Where is that? Yeah. Now it will ask the password. I'll attach the password. Now I'm at launching 108 DNS 108. Okay, so it is another. This is 108 Windows 2. Another one is this is 168. Okay. Now let us see disk management and disk management dot msc. Yeah, it will show the partitions clearly. Yeah, so here it is 30 GB. Okay, it's online. Now let me check the another Windows. Still it's okay. Stopped. Windows 2. This one is Windows 2. Not it is typing. It's taking time. Okay. Meanwhile, let us attach the another EBS volume. Let us go to Windows 1. Okay. Volumes. So here we have root volumes we have, and here we can create a volume. Okay, create volume. What is general purpose? 100 GB and US this availability zone. Okay, just create. Then we will attach this volume. Yeah, so it is created. Then EBS volume. Okay, and now shit. Okay, EBS volume. Okay, now what I need to do, it's available. Okay, already these root volumes are in use. This one is used by volume. We can identify. Yeah, see Windows 1, Windows 2. We can see. So this is available, and we can attach volume. Now we can give Windows 1. Okay, device name can give, then attach volume. So Windows 1 is attached. See here you can have 100 GB attached, and I'll initialize disk. Okay, so now it becomes online. So we need to right click and make use of this entire size file type NDFS, so that we can see this thing in the folder section. So here you can see this PC we have local disk C and local disk this one 100 GB. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'll just simply copy file welcome later. I'll copy a small image. Okay, day 3 class presentation. Copy. I'll put this image here. Okay. Now next what I am going to do is I will detach this EBS volume from Windows 1 instance to Windows 2 instance. That too, so here I'll show you the picture. It will take some time maybe. This is a video file. This is video file. So I am. This is a class presentation. Okay. This is okay. Now what I'm going to do, I'll detach. Even though both instances are running, you can see. Yeah. So here you can see. Now both you can see these EBS volume also in use. Okay. Now all are in use. Okay, so on the instance also all are running. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I will detach this volume, and I will detach this volume. Okay, of why it's forced detach, let us see. Okay, okay, now let us see. It's loading. ah Now what I'm going to do, yeah, detach volume. Yeah, detach. Now it is detached from instance, that is Windows 1 instance. Now again, what I'm going to attach volume to Windows. Now you can see both instances are running. While running itself, we are moving, detaching instance EBS volume from Windows 1 to Windows 2. But in the case of root volume, uh, we cannot move like this. So it should be stopped state. Okay. Now it's moved to Windows 2 and select this one, attach volume. Let us see. Okay. Status check in use. Okay. Now let us see in the in the case of 168, what is 168? It is a Windows 1. It should be Windows 1. Here you cannot see now. So instance, let us go instance. See 168. 168 is Windows 1. So Windows 1, we don't have disk D, but we can see that volume in here. Is that Windows 2 instance, disk management dot msc. So now you can see 100 GB. It is previously it was offline. We need to initialize, but now it is online because it is same. Just unplugging from the laptop and moving to another laptop like that. Okay. So here you can see the data also. Okay. So this is what how the EBS volume newly created and detached. Next I will show delete. and moved to uh, attach to another instance. Okay, let us go to now stop the instance or delete the instance, then everything will be terminate the instance. If you terminate, the EBS volume will be still there. See, so both the instances are terminated. Okay, so it is shutting down. If you go for volumes, you can see it's taking time. Yeah, this is available. So it's going to delete. So this also will be going to delete. In use. Let us refresh. Instances. Shutting down. See, one is shutting down, one is terminated. So that is the reason Windows 2 volume, root volume is deleted, but still this Windows 1 is there. Let us see now. Volumes. Still there. Now it's gone. You could see now. Terminated. Both are terminated. Now we need to delete this volume also. Otherwise, this is also will be charged. Delete volume. Okay, you need to confirm by deleting. Delete. Okay, now it is deleted. Okay, so this is what the today's topic is. The mainly it is about how to create a new EBS volume attached to the one instance and detaching one instance to detaching EBS volume to another instance and finally deleting EBS volume. Okay, so this is the end of the class. Thank you. Thanks for listening. See you.